Let's learn the letter E. Capital E or big E and lowercase e or small e. E is a vowel. Therefore, it has two sounds, a short sound and a long sound. The short sound is E. E as in elephant, E as in egg, and E as in enter. The long vowel sound says its name. The sound E as in email, as in eat. Look at these words. They have the sound sh, ship, she, and shoe. Let's learn the rules. An open syllable ends in a long vowel sound. A long vowel sound says the name of the letter like in the following words. I, hi, she, and he. Let's learn the rules. In the word he, the E is in an open syllable, so the E says its name. He. In the word hen, the E is in a closed syllable, so it is the short sound, E, as in hen. Let's learn the letter C. Capital C or uppercase C or big C and lowercase c or little c. C makes the sound k, as in coffee. Let's learn the rules. Hard C sound, k, is used for all words except when the C is in front of the letters E, I, and Y. For example, can and act.